High-pressure unit Presscool is a small external device used for supplying coolant in CNC machines. Device automatically takes liquid from the machine tank, which, after pre-filtration, goes to the high-pressure pump. Clean coolant goes from high-pressure pump to machining tools. Presscool gives optimum process conditions, cooling whole cutting area intensively. The chips are also removed, which has a positive effect on tool life and precision of the operation. What is important, pressure difference is not so big without material load and with large tool diameters. It changes dramatically after the beginning of the process. Limiting the flow causes the pressure to rise up to the maximum value generated by the unit. Boost pressure with Presscool.